y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Diona, and today I'm going to be installing this wig. And today I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from Klaiyi hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So right now I have in a 24-inch 180 density Jerry curly pre-everything wig. So what that means is they pre-bleach the knots for you, they pre-cut the lace, they pre-pluck the front a little bit to give it more of a natural hairline, and it is in the color 33B, which is like this reddish brown, which is really pretty. Like, I absolutely love this color. It is giving as told by Ginger. Like, I absolutely love this color. But if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, I'm taking the wig cap that they provided and slicking back my hair. You already know the drill. My hair look crazy. Sorry. I got to take my edge booster and my edge brush, and I'm slicking back my edges so that everything can look smooth underneath this wig cap. And I'm just stretching out the wig cap so that it can fit on my dome. Alright, so you know the drill. I am taking my cream makeup, Ruby Kisses, got it from Amazon. But you can use any cream makeup, honestly. That's just the only one that I found on Amazon. But yeah, so I'm putting it all over my wig cap, and I'm also putting it on the inside of the closure, just to make sure that the lace blends with everything. Alright, so I'm just sliding the wig on my head. I didn't have a wig band or anything on here, and it still fits pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. This is just what the curls looks like fresh out the box. But don't worry, we are going to fix that because they look real crazy right now. But yeah, this is just a look of the curls. Now I'm just doing my baby hairs, my edges. This is completely optional. If you don't want to do baby hairs, by all means, please skip this if you want to. But I have to do it because, as you can see on the side, I have a little bit of a low hairline, meaning my hairline about touch my eyebrows. So to cover that up, I'm just cutting out some baby hairs to make it blend more seamlessly. Now, this part right here is just completely optional. But I'm just taking a small little hint of this wig bond spray and just spraying it where my edges are behind it, because the lace kind of like lays on my hairline, because my hairline is weird. But if you have a normal hairline, then you don't have to do all that. So now I'm just wrapping my edges. Now time for the fun part, which is to define the curls. I'm just using my Pure Honey Cream of Nature curling cream and some water, and I am drenching this hair. When I spray it, I mean, you need to get it like soaking wet, and then apply the product to it before you start trying to brush it, or else it's just going to be frizzy. If you start like combing through it or brushing through it and noticing that it's still frizzy, that means that you didn't get it wet enough. So just put some more water on there. So I'm just combing through here to define the curls. So you should have something that looks a little bit like this when you're done. That's how you know that you did it right. And this is just all the shedding that I got from that one side, which wasn't too bad. And then I also just ran the brush through it one more time afterwards, just to show that I wasn't getting any more shedding. I think that was just like the initial shedding from when I started brushing through it, especially when it was like more dry. That's why I started doing that. But once you get through that like initial like detangling and like defining the curls, I didn't have any more trouble with like shedding or anything. And it was just the same thing on the other side right here, just a little bit of hair, and then I brushed through it one more time and I didn't have any more hair on my brush, so that is a really good sign. All right, so now I'm just going to do some finishing touches on the hair. The first is to define the part. It already comes with like sort of a middle part in the wig, but I just wanted to define it a little bit more. I didn't have to pluck it like I initially thought I did, so I was happy about that. So what I'm going to do now is just define my parting space with my edge booster and my Got to Be Free spray. I just put the edge booster all along anywhere where there's a part, so like my middle part and then like the front, just to make the front of the style look more crisp and clean. I know you've seen everybody and their mother do this 50 times, so I don't need to explain it, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now I'm just taking a little bit of my concealer to define my part. The concealer that I'm using is the NYX concealer in the color Natural Tan, which seems to be a popular color because every time I go to the store it's gone. But it's fine because I'm gonna order some off Amazon. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide off this wig band, and everything is already looking so laid and fresh. This is what the curls look like when they're wet. Like I always do this, but like if you prefer the wet look, you know, that's what it's gonna look like. But I'm just taking some of my cream makeup and putting along the front here, even though I really didn't even need to do that because it already blended really well. But I am a creature of habit, so out of habit I did it anyway. And so this is just what the hair looks like. It looks really pretty like this. Like I love the curls, like it is really cute, honestly. But I wanted to see what they look like dried. I prefer dried curls, so I'm just taking my blow dryer with the little diffuser comb on it and just drying the hair. I always do this on like a cool setting or like a warm cool setting, but I don't ever do it on hot. I tried it on hot one time and it made my hair frizzy, so I learned my lesson to just do it on a cool setting and be patient. But this just basically dries your curls if you don't want the wet look. You can also let it dry naturally, but I feel like when you do this, it just helps define them just a little bit more than they would be had you let them air dry. So now I'm just putting a little bit of layers around the front. I sometimes do this with my curly wigs and sometimes I don't, but I just like how it looks because it frames my face, especially since I want to wear this hair more poofier. I like to frame my face so that when it dries you can see the definition. Lastly, I'm just taking my Afoji shine spray and drenching my hair with this. Now typically if I was using like straight hair, I would never ever use this much on straight hair because it can look greasy, but with curly hair you can go crazy with this because curly hair just soaks up all the moisture, and I just love it to look shiny and don't nobody want no dry curls. And 1, 2, 3, just like a magic, we all done. It looks really cute. Like, first of all, I love this color, but especially to have this with some curly hair, it's just really cute and different. So overall I really loved this hair. It was really easy to maintain, and I know people say like curly hair can be high maintenance, but honestly this was so simple. Only thing you use is like water. You can use mousse. You don't even have to use water if you don't want to, but like mousse or my curling cream or whatever, and my little comb, and I was good to go. But you can wear this hair any kind of way because of like the parting space. You can flip it to any side you want to. You can do a side part, middle part, whatever. Yeah, it's really cute, and it's really thick and full. And this is just a close-up of what the lace looks like. Everything is blending how it needs to blend, period. But yeah, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Adios till next time.